Today we're making a unique chocolate Swiss roll cake that combines a soft cocoa sponge, rich chocolate whipped cream, and a beautiful layered design. Start by cracking 5 eggs into a bowl and adding a pinch of salt. Whisk until the eggs and whites are fully combined. Gradually add 100 grams of sugar and continue whisking until the mixture becomes frothy, pale, and doubles in size. This step creates the light, airy texture of your chocolate sponge cake. Sift in 50 grams of flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the batter to keep the air intact. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, folding gently again. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of water, mixing carefully until smooth and fully incorporated. Line a flat baking sheet with parchment paper and pour the batter evenly onto the tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius for about 12 minutes. Once baked, carefully flip the cake onto a new sheet of wax or parchment paper. If flipping feels risky, simply slide the cake out using the original parchment paper. Gently peel off the old paper, place a fresh sheet on top, and immediately roll the sponge tightly along with the paper into a log shape. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Rolling while warm prevents cracks later. For the filling, take a new bowl, add 1 cup to whipped cream and whisk until light and airy. Add melted chocolate according to your taste preference and whisk again until smooth and fluffy. This creates a rich chocolate whipped cream filling. Unroll the cool cake gently and brush it lightly with sugar-water mixture to keep it moist. Spread a thin, even layer of the chocolate whipped cream over the surface, then carefully roll it back into a tight log. Place it in the fridge for about 1 hour to firm up. Next, prepare the Swiss roll batter again, but this time bake it in a circular pan instead of a flat tray. Once baked and cooled, cut the round cake horizontally into 2 layers. Now to assemble the cake, slice the chilled Swiss roll into even roll pieces. In a spring-form cake tin, arrange the Swiss roll slices vertically along the side walls to create a decorative border. Place one circular cake layer at the base in the center. Add a layer of chocolate whipped cream, then place the second circular cake layer on top or the Swiss rolls. Cover the entire cake with more whipped cream. Decorate with chocolate shavings, cake crumbs, and piped whipped cream swirls for a beautiful finish. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this creative chocolate cake recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more impressive homemade desserts, and share this with someone who loves chocolate cakes.